If you worked in the HTM industry long enough, you will come to see that every challenge is a stepping stone to your future success. Today, you might question your ability to thrive and overcome adversity. But remember, saying yes to these challenges is your key to moving forward. The HTM industry is flourishing, offering endless opportunities for growth and improvement. Consider each tough day as a test of your resilience. Much like a preventive maintenance sticker on a piece of equipment expires, these challenges have an expiration date, and like any new day, they will pass. Every hurdle you cross is not just an obstacle, it's a preparation for your new big achievement. The past is history, and the future is yet to come. What you have right now is the present moment. How often do we procrastinate, thinking we'll tackle tasks tomorrow? We must embrace the now. Whether you're conducting PMs, repairs, managing inventory, or engaging in training, seize the moment. The present is your stage to excel. Your next decision could be a turning point defining your path towards becoming a more skilled, more innovative professional, or it could leave you stagnant. Every day at work is an opportunity to make a difference, to distinguish yourself. Make every moment count because time waits for no one. To achieve success in the HTM industry, you must actively pursue it. Success is not just a destination, but a journey of continuous growth and learning. Embrace each day with enthusiasm and determination, and watch as you transform not only your career, but also the future of healthcare technology management.